Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is omelette fry. Omelette fry is a versatile and quick meal option, making it convenient for individuals with busy lifestyles to prepare a nutritious and satisfying dish. Eggs, a primary ingredient in omelette fry, are an excellent source of high quality protein essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. The amino acids in eggs support muscle maintenance and can be especially beneficial for those engaged in physical activity or looking to preserve muscle mass. Biotin, B vitamin found in eggs, contributes to healthy hair, skin, and nails. Let's start the recipe. You can prepare this recipe in just 15 to 20 minutes. Take 2 eggs and beat them. Add 1 small chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, coriander and salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well. Add half tablespoon of oil and prepare omelette. Meanwhile, let's prepare masala paste. Add 2 tablespoon of dry coconut powder, half tablespoon of cumin and 3/4 cup of coriander. Now add 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of garam masala and little water. Grind into fine paste. In the same vessel, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 big chopped onion, 1 or 2 green chilies. Add salt as per your taste. Saute until onion turns soft. Cut omelette into small pieces. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 3/4 to 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Adjust red chili powder as per your taste. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes on low to medium heat. Now add grinded paste. You can find more egg recipes in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Saute for 2 minutes. Adjust salt as per your taste. Add omelette pieces. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Enjoying what you saw? If so, consider subscribing and becoming a part of our Shalini Foods family. We'd love to have you on board. Finally, add chopped coriander and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well and serve. Give the recipe a try and kindly share your feedback in the comments. Very tasty and delicious omelette fry is ready. You can serve with rice, chapati, roti. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.